Ever wondered if your trusty ELLIPAL hardware wallet can handle the king of crypto, Bitcoin? You're not alone. In the rapidly evolving world of digital assets, choosing the right hardware wallet is paramount for securing your investments. And when it comes to Bitcoin, arguably the most important cryptocurrency, ensuring compatibility with your chosen cold storage solution is a top priority for any serious hodler. So, let's cut to the chase. Does ELLIPAL support Bitcoin? The short answer is a resounding yes. ELLIPAL, particularly their popular Titan series, is specifically designed to provide robust and secure storage for a vast array of cryptocurrencies, and Bitcoin is absolutely at the top of that list. The ELLIPAL Titan and its successors are renowned for their air-gapped security, meaning they operate completely offline, isolated from any network connections like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or USB. This unique design significantly mitigates the risk of online hacking attempts, making it an incredibly secure option for storing your precious Bitcoin. How does it work then, if it's completely offline? That's the beauty of it. ELLIPAL utilizes QR codes for all transaction signing and data transfer. When you want to send Bitcoin from your ELLIPAL wallet, you initiate the transaction on the accompanying ELLIPAL mobile app. The app generates a QR code containing the transaction details. You then scan this QR code with your ELLIPAL hardware wallet. The wallet, still completely offline, verifies and signs the transaction. Finally, the signed transaction is presented as another QR code on the ELLIPAL device, which you then scan back with your mobile app to broadcast it to the Bitcoin network. It's a clever and highly secure dance between offline signing and online broadcasting, ensuring your private keys never leave the air-gapped environment. Beyond just Bitcoin, ELLIPAL offers extensive multi-currency support. We're talking about compatibility with over 40 blockchains and more than 10,000 different tokens, including major players like Ethereum, XRP, Litecoin, Dogecoin, Cardano, Solana, and a vast number of ERC20, TRC20, and BEP20 tokens. This broad compatibility makes it a versatile choice for anyone with a diversified crypto portfolio, allowing you to manage various digital assets from a single, secure device. The ELLIPAL hardware wallets are also built with physical security in mind. They often feature an anti-tamper design that will self-destruct or wipe data if physical intrusion is detected, further enhancing the security of your Bitcoin and other assets. Plus, the large touchscreen and user-friendly interface make navigating the device and managing your funds surprisingly straightforward, even for those new to hardware wallets. In essence, if you're looking for a highly secure, air-gapped solution to store your Bitcoin, the ELLIPAL certainly fits the bill. Its focus on offline security, coupled with its wide range of supported cryptocurrencies and intuitive design, makes it a strong contender in the hardware wallet space. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.